Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to go over cell biology GCSE, and today we're going to be focusing on microscopy. So microscopy allows you to see things that you can't with the naked eye. Light microscopes use light and lenses to magnify a specimen to let you see individual cells and subcellular structures like nuclei. The resolution is the ability to distinguish the difference between 2 points, for example, 2 different ribosomes. Electron microscopes. Electron microscopes use electrons instead of light to form an image. They have a much higher magnification than light microscopes. Electron microscopes also have a higher resolution. The resolution, as we said, is the ability to distinguish a difference between 2 points. Electron microscopes let us see much smaller things in more detail, like internal structures of mitochondria and chloroplast. So calculating the magnification. So this is a triangle which helps. So we've got magnification, image size, and actual size. A good way to remember this is MIA. So we've got the first letter of magnification, image size, and actual size. So to calculate the magnification, we do image size divided by the actual size. And say we wanted to calculate the actual size, we're going to do image size over magnification. Standard form. We need to use standard form as the numbers in microscopy can be too small. To do this, you just move a decimal place to the right or the left. The number of places you move a decimal place represents a power of 10. So what would 0.025 millimeters long in standard form be? So it's 2.5 times 10 to the minus 3. This is because we've moved the decimal place 3 times to the right. You need to prepare your slide. So to look at the specimen under a light microscope, you need to put it on a microscope slide first. A slide is a strip of clear glass or plastic onto which a specimen is mounted. So to prepare your slide, you add 1 drop of water onto the middle of a clean slide. You cut an onion and separate it into layers. Use tweezers to peel off some epidermal tissue from the bottom of the layers. Place the epidermal tissue onto the water of the slide. Add a drop of iodine solution. Iodine solution is a stain, and this allows you to see the subcellular structures. Place a cover slip on top. To do this, stand the cover slip upright on the slide next to the water droplet, then carefully tilt it and lower it so it covers the specimen. Try not to get air bubbles. This will obstruct your view. Using a light microscope to look at your slide. Clip the slide you have prepared onto the stage. Select the lowest powered objective lens, i.e. the one that produces the lowest magnification, for example, times 10. Use a coarse adjustment knob to move the stage just below the objective lens. Look down the eyepiece and move the coarse adjustment knob to move the stage downwards until the image is roughly focused. Adjust the focus with the fine adjustment knob until you get a clear image. If you need to see your slide with greater magnification, swap to a higher objective lens and refocus. Okay, so here we have an image of microscope. We've got the eyepiece, which is what you look down. We have the objective lens. So to start with, use the lowest objective lens. Then if you need to see the image in more detail, we increase the objective lens. We have the stage, and this is where you place your we have the stage, and this is where you put your slide and you clip it with the stage clip to keep it still. You have the coarse focus, which you use first, and then you have the fine focus. So during your observations, draw what you see under the microscope using a pencil with a sharp point. Make sure the drawing takes up half the space available and that it draws with clear unbroken lines. It should not include any colouring or shading. You should draw your subcellular structures in proportion. You should title your drawing and state the magnification. You should label the important features, for example, the nucleus. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.